Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Enable Bluetooth on your phone and set it to discoverable mode now. Open your phone settings and confirm location and Bluetooth permissions are enabled. Turn on your car's ignition and set the infotainment system to pairing mode using the source or phone menu. Make sure the stereo screen shows Bluetooth or phone pairing and is ready to search. Confirm your phone has 30% or more battery and Bluetooth permissions enabled to prevent interruptions during pairing. Select your car's name from the phone's Bluetooth list within 2 minutes. Wait for the infotainment system and phone to exchange a pairing request. Compare the 6-digit PIN shown on both devices and accept if identical to ensure a secure link. If the PIN matches, confirm on both the phone and the car to complete pairing. Allow contacts and messages access when prompted to enable hands-free calling and contact syncing for safer driving. If pairing fails after 3 attempts, restart both phone and car system and try again. Delete old Bluetooth pairings on your phone and car to free device slots and avoid conflicts. Move phones away from other active Bluetooth devices and disable Wi-Fi temporarily if interference persists. Ensure software updates are installed on your phone and the car's infotainment to fix known bugs. For advanced issues, consult your car manual or contact dealership support for firmware and compatibility guidance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.